Hi everyone! Today I will unbox Anxiety
I'm Anxiety.
from Inside Out 2. She's so cute and so anxious. Here is the code number 1447. And you can see at the back there are other characters to collect. Anxiety and Nui, Envy on Memory Orb, Embarrassment and Joy.
Wow, you have a lot of energy.
And more characters, but here only these ones. So let's see here. There is Anxiety.
I'm one of Riley's new emotions, and we are just super jazzed to be here. Where can I put my stuff?
Really happy and a bit creepy. So Anxiety here from the movie, not like Funko Pop, just like a photo from the movie.
And my job is to protect her from the scary stuff she can't see.
I love her so much, and her hair, her teeth, and her clothes. So let's unbox it. Anxiety. Oh, so cute. Really beautiful eyes. And her teeth. And really big mouth. Her hands together mixed. So beautiful. Shiny. So cute and like really thin and like interesting. So I got Anxiety, and now let's make her stand on the platform. So just put in this hole on this platform and just press. And like this, she stands better. And just have a look at her. So for now, subscribe, like, and comment, share. Bye.
Riley, get it together. I'm not good enough.